What is Ruby? If you want to start with a language that is known for being relatively simple to learn, consider Ruby. Developed in the 1990s, it was designed to have a more human-friendly syntax, while still being flexible from the standpoint of its object-oriented architecture that supports procedural and functional programming notation. A web application framework that is implemented in Ruby is Ruby on Rails, Raw. Ruby developers tout it for being an easy language to write in, and also for the relatively short learning time required. These attributes have led to a large community of Ruby developers and a growing interest in the language among beginning developers. The average salary for a Ruby developer is around $121,000 per year. Level: Beginner Ruby and Ruby on Rails have evolved to become extremely popular for web developers. Skills needed: problem solving, abstract thinking, ability to visualize what application users want to see. Platform: web. Popularity among programmers: on the rise. Benefits: flexible. The syntax is considered easy to read and to write. No specialized vocabulary to get started. Enforces good programming style. Degree of use: least broadly used. Annual salary projection: $121,070. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.